We run, we win. Hello guys, Welch's PB&J bite-sized snacks conquer great. Creamy peanut butter. I'll just zoom in on the thing because this is widescreen. This is widescreen. You can see that. This is what they look like because it's the same on the other side. Okay, here we go. Here is the nutritional facts. So you can read them. And let's go ahead and go. I was looking for something, kind of healthy to snack on. Ooh, the thing tore. And I saw these PB&J, so made with reduced fat. It doesn't say anything. It's just, I guess it's supposed to be good. Comes in these nice little packages with the nutritional facts and stuff on the back too. So I guess, do you want to look and see how much, you're getting 100 calories? Let's go ahead, open this. Ah, it opens easy. That's good, that's good, that's good. Let's see. Here's what they look like. Pretty much it. They don't look like hardly anything, except for they don't look like hardly anything. Yeah. Okay, let's see it this time. Tastes like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich without the bread. Wow. The smell is interesting. It has that awesome Welch's great flavor. Wow, it almost tastes like you're eating candy. Wow. I like this, wow. Wow. That's it, I like it, it's great. Wow. 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 Thanks for joining me. I love you. Remember, rejoice and live, move, be.